Which statement about h of x equals x squared plus 5x minus 6 is true? And if I read the statements, all my statements start with the zeros are, the zeros are, the zeros are, the zeros are. So what is a zero, guys? If you forgot what a zero is, guys, a zero is your x-intercept. Zero is your x, it equals your x-intercept. It's the same as your x-intercept. So guys, now we can't tell our x-intercept from just the equation, so we need to make a graph out of this equation. So once I go to my decimals, I'm going to go ahead and graph that. H of x equals x squared plus 5x minus 6. So I graphed my equation, and remember, now all my answer choices said zeros, right? So my zeros are my x-intercepts. That's where it crosses the x-axis. So if I look at my zeros, my x-intercepts, I notice that my x-intercepts are -6, comma 0, and +1. So look at your answer choices. Only answer choice A says that zeros are -6 and 1. All the other ones say nothing about your zeros, about the zeros that you have. So that is all.